I use hoovers. I've got the hoover that never in the next drawer on today, and I've got a sort of small load of towels in there today. And I'm just trying. This in my aunt's house, which is where the drawer is located. If I just aim there, try and get the best focus for it. Try and you know. It's been this is the new video of this machine. It's this. 2019 we're doing it quite nicely. This one is the new TC470 stud here. This is the old. This one is the new TC470 was standing. Test washing was what I say, you see after the break.